Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into CryptoZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.74 trillion. We are up 3.6% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 43.3%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing a lot of green across the board, especially in the last 24 hours. Man, this month of October has been nothing but excitement after excitement. And it has lived up to the hype, guys. I have been saying this for quite a while, and boy, has it lived up to the hype. But so far, markets are looking very, very bullish. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if you guys can look, Vechain is making moves right now. Vechain is currently trading at 14.4 cents. We are up 7.3% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 5.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. We have seen Vechain, go up in the ranking. It was at top 24 just yesterday, and right now we are sitting at top 23, and we will definitely take that. Market cap is just shy away from $10 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $623.4 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 1,100%. And in the last 30 days, we are seeing, Vechain starting to make moves, and we are up 60%. So let's not forget that, guys, when we are looking at the prices of Vechain. But now, guys, let's get into the exciting stuff, which is the price. What is going on? And something very, very interesting is going on right now. And let's get right into that. So as you guys can see, we are trading at 14.4 cents. But right now you may be asking yourself, CryptoZX, why are you so excited? What exactly is going on with the Vechain's price? I believe Vechain is on the verge to break out towards the upside, and we are starting to see that happen right now. We did get back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level that I have been talking about for quite a while, guys. But we were unable to hold above here. But I would not be surprised if we are able to break into this range and actually start heading towards this price range at this 15.5 cents mark, which I have been talking about for the longest time, and I believe that time is very, very near, guys. So buckle up. Things are about to heat up, and we are starting to see the momentum build up on Vechain. So I do believe that the breakout is a very, very imminent. One thing that we could improve on, if you may be asking, to be quite honest with you guys, we look at all the scenarios right now. Everything is looking very, very nice if we are looking at the immediate short term. But one thing that can definitely improve on is the buying pressure. We are only sitting at $623.5 million. I would like this number to be around $1.2 billion, but nothing to worry about. I do see that number, go up, organically as markets really start moving towards the upside. A lot of people are starting to talk about Vechain, and it's not surprising me at all. Vechain is such a good project. I have been saying this for quite a while, and eventually the masses are going to catch on, and we're starting to see that happen right now. And let's look at the Bitcoin charts real quick, and then we will come and look at the Vechain price and make a conclusion as to what possibly can happen in the next 24 to 48 hours. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin has been trading sideways after hitting an all-time high. We have not really seen it start, fueling up towards newer all-time highs and really start moving. We just have seen sideways momentum occur for the price of Bitcoin, and we will definitely take that, and that itself is causing the altcoins. We are seeing the altcoin market start to heat up, but we are far away from all time, I'm sorry, we're far away from altcoin season, guys, because right now BTC dominance is still quite high, guys. So do not underestimate, the BTC dominance, because if you may be thinking, oh man, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 45%, it's going all the way down to 37%. Absolutely not, guys, because Bitcoin is still in all-time high territories, guys. Never forget that Bitcoin is still in all-time high territories. You never know when it can make a reversal because the momentum is on Bitcoin's side still. So once that happens, we can see this number shoot up high once again, and that could cause the altcoins to trade sideways for a while, which obviously not all the altcoin holders do not want to see. But guys, we have to face the reality right now. That is one thing that we should definitely not be ignoring right now. But for the price of Vechain, guys, one thing that is very interesting that is going on right now is that, you know, back around this time, guys, when Vechain was making all-time highs after all-time highs after all-time highs, we were seeing it being talked about by some of these biggest accounts, with some big followings. And, since then, since after this China FUD that came out, along with, the Elon FUD, we saw that go away. We saw people stop talking about it, but now there's something interesting that is going on that I have not seen a lot of people mention. I look at all the possible scenarios, guys, and this is something to keep in mind as well, because now you may be asking, why does that matter? Because, guys, at the end of the day, hype will play a major role in price action. Doesn't matter how good of a project it is or how, huge the potential it could be. It needs hype to really get the price rolling. And right now, what we're seeing happen once again with the VeChain, for the VeChain price or the community, whatever you want to call it, is that we are seeing big accounts on Twitter with massive followings that really do have a lot of people that with a lot of money that follow these pages are starting to talk about VeChain once again. And that can really, bring a lot of attention to VeChain, and it deserves it. And then more and more people will eventually find out what kind of an amazing project VeChain really is, and that basically brings in more adoption to the VeChain community and the project itself. But aside from that, even if we did not have that, guys, time does catch on. Time eventually will catch on for real projects, and VeChain by far is one of them. I have been mentioning this for quite a while. I cannot stress this enough, guys. VeChain has a working product. It's working with some of these biggest organizations around the world, and the partnerships, like, partnerships itself, the partnerships itself speaks for VeChain's overall project, and how VeChain keeps on delivering, keep on innovating, and they're not stopping. That just really goes to show where they're headed, and you guys can see where this entire cryptocurrency market is headed. And as this market matures, guys, so is projects with real use case such as VeChain that are bringing mass adoption to the crypto space will succeed, in my personal opinion. And I am a strong believer, and I do not see like anything less happening for VeChain. I do believe that VeChain is going to hit new all-time highs this year alone. I have been saying this for quite a while, but we need to break out of this range, guys. This range is super important. Mark your dates. I'm sorry, not dates. Just keep marking this price, guys. Once we break out of this price range, guys, things will move up very quickly. And you will remember CryptoZX was the one who called that from the beginning. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. So far, so good. I would like for us to get back into this 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, start heading towards this level of resistance and break out of here. But we do need more buying pressure to be on our side. So that's one thing that we could improve on for the short immediate term. But with that being said, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Thank you so much for all the support that you guys are showing me. I love each and every one of you guys. It keeps me pushing, and I will keep on delivering this for you guys. I love you all. Please, guys, if you guys can just do me one favor, and that is like, subscribe, and comment. That's all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.